Did you build this?
That's right.
Wow. And it's nice and sealed off.
The what?
What made you not do B-pillar? Space?
I
Space.
drive this every day.
Every day. A daily driver, okay. Wow.
But I actually am going to move it up because I'm going to add another sub. And I'm going to get the space by coming forward with it.
Okay, so 415s.
That's right. And another 12K. I'm switching over to Lithium instead of 18.
Okay.
That's my problem now. I can't put the power.
Do you have anything in the back? Is it all the way back? Oh, so you got it built all the way back. Okay. Oh, nice. This looks good. Oh, you used your space. Did you ever have anything back here? Or is this just your extra space area to store things?
Well, I had another system in here before.
Okay.
I had 215 ZVX.
Then you upgraded.
That's right.
All right. Yeah, we can demo all day until they shut us down soon. I'd love to hear it. Hear all of y'all's. Are you demoing? Are you cooling off?
I am.
I would hear it. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. How many batteries do you have?
3 XS 3100 31s.
Okay. Any size alternator?
I got a 300 and Brand X.
Brand X. Oh, you just got it, man. It's a pretty new company.
That's right. I've had it probably 2 months now.
Okay. They work good? You like them?
Yes.
All right. On a Taramps 12K. Is this, you said 1.3 ohm?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, this looks good. What's the specs of the box?
12 cube sealed on the bottom, and the top chamber is 16.
16. All right.
And I play in the range of 32 and maybe 60 hertz.
Okay. That's good bandwidth.
I'm gonna start out with something a little low.
Yes, sir. There you go. You want to do it? Make sure that one's on.
Oh, I should play some deep.
All right. What's the best you got out of it meter-wise?
153.5.
153.5. Okay.
This is a decaf white clouds.
Yep. All right. Some Skar mids. 4-channel amp or just on head unit power? Okay. Good little bass knob. I like how you've dynamatted everything too.
Yeah, it's 3/4 ply. We wouldn't go too late.
Really? Wow.
Soon. I gotta get drunk before the day ends, before my mother starts bitching about my friends. about noon, just thought that I had to be in Compton soon. I gotta get drunk before the day begins, before my mother starts bitching about my friends.
153.
Did you say that again?
Huh?
Did you call that recording?
I said 154, 155.
That's still very impressive. Dude, your knowledge is awesome.
This one's on glass, so most likely we'll go down to dB. Yeah. Went down about half a dB, which is actually pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some kick scores will go up 3 or 4 dB for some vehicles.
Mine went up 1.
It did? Yeah.
Like you said, the Hawk will be back.
And it's still there. It goes on the fins all the time. I had to spray it last week. About my friends.
Thanks, man. What was your name?
Joey.
Joey. Thank you, man. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.